Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow or deny apps permission to modify, delete or manage media files in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon and from here select special access. Now in special access, scroll down and here click on manage media. Now here it will show you the list of apps that can manage media. So if you want to allow an app to manage your media or delete or modify your media, then turn on its button. And if you want to deny app permission to modify, delete or manage media files in your mobile, then tap on the button to turn it off. So with these buttons, you can allow or deny apps permission to modify, delete or manage media files in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.